I'm going to be walking us through the key features of Ginuxai and how we can use Ginuxai effectively. So once you create an account and you log in, this is what you're going to be seeing. This is your dashboard. This is the total wallet balance here that we are seeing here. And then we have the available wallet balance. And if you decided to fund your wallets here, you can as well fund your wallet. This funding of wallet feature is powered by Paystack. Then here is the available wallet balance, and here is a referral balance as well. That is, if somebody uses your referral code to sign up, once they sign up, and if that person begins to fund their wallets, there is a certain percentage amount of money that enters your referral balance here. And here we have the total transactions. That is the total transactions you have performed on Ginuxai. You're going to be seeing them here. And as well, here is a transaction history. So every transaction you've performed on Ginuxai, you are going to be seeing your transaction history here. Now, the first tool I'm going to be showing, the first AI tools I'm going to be showing to us is this text extractor. So what does this text extractor does? It helps us to extract text from images. So let me just give us a use case. Let's say, for example, you have an hard copy document that you want to type, right? So instead of you going through the stress of typing those documents one after the other, you can take your phone and then take a picture of that document, and then you upload that document here. So this text extractor AI is going to help you, that is Ginuxai is going to help you to extract the text from the images. So now here is an image that we want to use, right, to perform, to show us how this works. So this is an image. So what we want to do is that we want to extract all of this text from this image. Now, so what we need to do is that you can either click it upload, or you can drag your file here. So what I'm going to do is to drag my file here. So once I drag it, Ginuxai is going to extract the text from the image. So as you can see, Ginuxai is currently extracting the text from the image that we uploaded. So here are the text on that particular image. This is beautiful. So you don't need to go through the stress of typing those words one after the other. So what you can do, once Ginuxai is done extracting the image, so you can either edit the image, or you start all over again. So then click on edit here, for example. So as you can see, here is a text editor that we can use to edit our image. Let's say if I want to bold this particular part of this document here, I can palm here and then click on this bold here. So it's going to help me to bold the document, so I can increase the font and do anything I want to do with this particular document. So this is how the text extractor works. So you upload, you take the picture of the particular document you want to extract the text from, right? So once you upload the image, and then Ginuxai is going to help you to extract the text from the image, and you can perform or use the text in any way you want to use it. So that is the number one feature I'm going to be showing us. So second feature is the chat with PDF. So what does this do is that this helps us to summarize. You can upload a document and have a conversation with your documents. You can, this AI tool, this Ginuxai tool is going to help you to summarize your documents. It can help, you can ask your documents any question. Let's say, for example, you are making a research and then you download a document and you want to know if that document is going to be useful, right? If that PDF is going to be used for your research topic. So this particular tool is going to help you to determine that quickly, and it's going to save you a lot of time. Now, this is a user interface, right? Now we can come here to click on browse files. So when I click on browse files, I am going to go into my documents, right? The documents I want to have a conversation with. So I come to my files there, I click my document. So this is a particular document here. So once I click open, So the document is being uploaded now, and I click on this process. So I need to process this document, right? I want Ginuxai to process the document for me. What's it on process here? Ginuxai has completed processing this particular document, so I can now go ahead to ask any question I want to ask this document. So let me say Ginuxai to summarize this document. Let's say summarize these documents. So, and then I click on this send button. So what is going to happen is that the Ginuxai is going to help us to summarize the document, as you can see. So this is the summary of the document I uploaded. So the document is a questionnaire titled Education for Promoting Peace and Security, which is absolutely correct because that is the title of the document. Now I can go ahead and ask further. Explain the introduction chapter of these documents. So, and then I click on send. So I want the AI to explain the introduction part of this document. Look at it here. It's in the introduction chapter of this document discuss the importance of education in society and its roles. So this is beautiful. So you can keep asking your PDF questions. You can keep asking, having a conversation with the PDF. So instead of you going through reading a whole 500 pages of PDF by yourself, what you can use is that you can just come here. You browse, you click on this browse files button, and then you click on this process. Once Ginuxai is done processing your documents, you can now go ahead and ask questions. Right, we read it to your documents, and Ginuxai is going to provide answers provided that answer is inside the document. So the answer is going to be coming from the document you uploaded. So that's how this particular feature works. Right, so the second feature I'm going to be showing us is this research center. So what does this let's say, for example, you have a project topic, and then you want to generate research materials, research resources, articles, journals, PDFs for that particular research topic. So what you can do is you come here, you can either paste or type your research question here. So you can paste or type your research question here. So here is my research question. I was generate material for I need research materials, resources. So here is the question: inclusive education for promoting peace and security in Nigeria. So I want to, this is my research topic, or let's say this is my assignment I must to generate material for. So once you type or you paste your research question here, and you click on this send button here, what is going to happen is that Ginuxai is going to generate PDFs, research materials, articles, journals for you to use. So perfect. So once you paste your research question here, so the next thing that is going to happen is that now there are a couple of things that is currently going on here. The number one thing is that Ginuxai can help you to is going to suggest how you can optimize your research topic. So now look at it. To optimize your search results, I have suggested some specific aspects you should explore for your research topic. Now here, Ginuxai is suggesting to us how we can, get a better, how we can optimize our research topic, what to search for, what to look for, to dive deeper into the particular topic I posted. Okay. So here now we have the implementing inclusive education for advancement of peace, and some couple of suggestions here. And here are the PDFs that we can use that Ginuxai provided for us. We have close to 1, 2, 3. If I'm correct, we have close to like 20 to 25 PDF that Ginuxai suggested here. So yeah, this is the PDFs. Now for articles and journals, we have over 60 to 70, we have over 70 articles and journals that Ginuxai suggested in relating to our research topic that we posted. right? So here is PDF. So I can scroll down here and let me show this. And then the beauty of this again is that Ginuxai help us to summarize, give us an insight into that research topic. Now here is an insight, just a brief explanation, right? If you really want to have an insight into your research topic, Ginuxai is going to help you to do that as well. Now here is a brief explanation, right? You can just as you can see here. Now the next thing, another beautiful thing I want to show us now is that now instead of you to keep downloading this PDF one after the other, so instead of you wasting your time and your resources, because you want to confirm if this PDF is really what you needed, right? So what you can do is that you can just click on this summary. And let me click on this summary. So once I click on this summary, it's going to help us without downloading this PDF at all, right? Ginuxai is going to help us to summarize that PDF first. So let's click on this summary here. So that is, I want us to see the summary of this PDF. I want us to know if it is something that is going to be useful. This PDF is going to be useful for my research topic. So beautiful. As you can see, it says summary generated by Ginuxai. So it's saying the article exploring education is solving peace. So these are the summary of this particular PDF. So you can go through them and see if this PDF is going to work for your research topic. So instead of you going through the stress of downloading the PDF after you download and you later find out that, oh, this is not really what I need. So it's good to see and view that time. Right, so this is the summary, and then it helps us to list out what the author was talking about in this particular PDF. Right, let's now see. Let's assume that this PDF is really what we wanted. Right, after we read through the summary. So I close it here, and then I can come here to click on download. So I can proceed to download the PDF. You can see this is a preview, and if I want to download the PDF, I click on this download here. You can see, and then it's on save. Once that is on save, the document is downloaded. Now that is beautiful. So now you can come here as well. Let's say you want to check out the articles and journals here. Let's say we come here, we see this 5 principles of inclusive education. So I click on it. It's going to open in a new tab, right? And then I can read through these articles. I can read through these articles here and then see if it is going to be useful for my research topic. Right, so this is beautiful. So you have access to a lot of research materials here, and then you can as well see that Ginuxai is providing us an insight into that research topic. Good. So the next feature I'm going to be showing us is this project center. Yes, let's say you want to generate you as a university student, you need a project topic, an idea of a project topic. You can definitely use Ginuxai is providing you over 50 research topics in related to your course and then to your institution. Now here is a form for us to fill. Once you click on project center, this is the topic. We have 3 tabs here: the topic, the guide, the materials. So I'm going to be explaining to us what this what each of these things does: the topic, the guide, and the material. So here is asking us, Ginuxai wants us to put in our university name. So let's say the name of my university is Convenance University, for example, Convenance University, right? So, and then let's say my course is political science, and then my area of research is Nigeria. So you can either put Southwest. Maybe you want to focus in Lagos. Maybe you want to focus on Nigeria as a whole. Maybe in Southwest. Depending on what you want. So now let's click on this generate topic now. But once I click on generate topic, as you can see, so Ginuxai provide me some project topics that I can use. So here, the impact of ethnic diversity on political stability in Nigeria, as you can see, and analysis of the effectiveness of Nigeria anti-corruption measures. So here are project topics that I can use. So instead of me, racking my brain, going through the stress of looking for project topics within a short period of time, we can just come here and then fill in those forms within 5 minutes. You've gotten an insight, you've gotten a project topic name for yourself. So Now here I can select on any of this topic. Then let's say I want to select a comparative analysis of democratic governance in Nigeria and other African countries. So once I click on it, what happens is that once I click, the Geos AI is going to help me to copy this text into my clipboard. So this particular project topic has been copied. Now let's now say that you want Ginuxai AI to break down this particular project topic into chapters. That is, you want it to give you a chapter layout. What you can do is just to come down here to this guide. You click on this guide, right? So you want to know what your chapter 1 supposed to contain for that project topic you selected. You want to know, you need to know what chapter 2 needs to contain, chapter 3, chapter 4, and chapter 5. You can come in and then you paste that copied project topic, or let's say any of the project topics. It might not even be the one Ginuxai AI suggested for you. Maybe you get your project topic somewhere and then you want Ginuxai AI to give you a chapter layout, right, of that particular project topic. You can come here directly, and then you might not need this topic. You might just click on this guide and then you paste or you type your project topic here. So I'm going to hit on send now for me to get a chapter layout of this particular project topic. So as you can see, Ginuxai AI is currently helping us. This is beautiful. So it's helping us to it's giving us the chapter layout of that particular project topic I selected the other time. So here is the chapter 1. It's telling us what the chapter 1 is supposed to entail: the background of democratic governance in Nigeria, statement of the problem, objective of the study, research question. So like within short period of time. So you don't need to stress yourself. You don't need to start thinking of, what's your chapter 1 supposed to contain, what's your chapter 2 needs to contain. Ginuxai AI is going to help you to solve that. So here we have the chapter 2, what's chapter 2 supposed to contain, right? So here is chapter 3, trying to tell us what chapter 3 is supposed to contain. We have chapter 4, and then we have chapter 5. So here is a breakdown of what each of our chapters should contain for that particular project topic. It doesn't end here, right? So the next thing you can do is that now let's say you want to get a material for each of these chapters, right, of this project topic. That could be a big challenge, right? You need a material for your chapter 2, you need a material for chapter 3, you need material for chapter 4 and chapter 5. Now what you can do is that's what this material session is doing for us. So once you click on this material session, I'm going to hit on this proceed button, and then I'll come here and then I will still paste that same project topic I selected the other time. So don't be confused here. This can be any project topic of your choice, right? It doesn't necessarily need to be the project topic that Ginuxai AI suggested for you. Do you understand now? So what I want to do here is that I want Ginuxai AI to suggest material for my chapter 1, for my chapter 2, for my chapter 3, chapter 4, chapter 5. So I'm going to hit on this send button now. So currently Ginuxai AI is helping us is generating material for each of those chapters. So beautiful. So as you can see now, this is chapter 1. It's saying introduction to democratic governance in Nigeria and other African countries. So once I click on this button here, so you can see that each of these are PDFs and materials for our chapter 1. So let me just click on this. Let me click on this first one here, PDF here. So it's going to open in a new tab, right, for me to be able to check and then download. So yeah, as you can see now, here is a PDF for our chapter 1. So we have this is PDF that you can just go through it and then pull up the resources, the contents you need for your introduction. So this is beautiful. So here is for our chapter 1, right, and here is for our chapter 2, right. All the materials that we need for our chapter 2 is also provided here. Now our chapter 3 as well, here are materials that you need for your for your chapter 3. Here are materials PDFs down to chapter 5. This is beautiful. So you don't need to start wasting your time looking at there for materials. This Ginuxai AI will save you from that stress. So here, as you can see now, we have the chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 4, chapter 5, right? So that is how you can generate materials for each of your chapters. So then the part is this transaction history. So let's say we want to see the transaction histories of what we've been doing the other time. Here is the research center, the amount I was debited. So this can definitely change over time. This 15 error can definitely change over time. So this is just for tutorial purpose, right? So now we have another feature here, which is consultation. So what this consultation does is that Ginuxai is going to link you to a research consultant. Let's say you're having challenges in any of your projects or your assignments. What you can just do is that just come here. Either you need Ginuxai to connect you to a research consultant for your assignment or for your project consultation here. Just come here and click on the assignment consultation. You select the course, your course, right? And then your assignment question, you paste your assignment question here, and then you click on consultation fee. You're going to be charged a particular certain amount of money for the consultation fee. Once you make payments, what happens is that Ginuxai is going to connect you to a research consultant and a human now that can guide you, or that can help you to solve your assignment question. So the same thing goes with this project consultation. Let's say you want to consult, you need a research consultant for your chapter 1, for chapter 2, chapter 3, or you even need it for your full project. Once you come here, you select your course, right? And then you paste your project topic here. Don't forget that your consultation fee depends on your project level. Let's say I want for chapter 4, you see the consultation fee changes, but if I was for my full project, the consultation fee changes as well. So let's now say the last part I want to share us is the feedback and complaint. Let's say you're having any issue, provincial, you want to give us your review. You can just come here, you type the subject and the message, and you send to us. So here are all the basic features. Here are all the fantastic features that you can use Ginuxai. We've talked about the text extractor. It helps you to extract it from images. We talk about how you can have a conversation with your PDF to summarize it. We talk about the research center. It helps you to generate hundreds of research materials, right, that you can use, articles, journals, and PDFs. And we'll talk about the project center as well, how it can help you to generate your project topics, then helps you to for your project topic chapter layout, and how it can help you to generate materials for each of your chapters.